And here we find Sun Hoang in his natural habitat, known as high school, with his life source, known as the phone. With a mere home screen, he keeps him generally entertained. But if lost, he may turn frantic in search of it. Now, with the loss of his phone, Sun has turned feral, looking around every nook and cranny for what hopes he has left to try to find his phone. He tries to look through the Coke machine, even in the change pocket. Who knows? He thinks it may be in there. Now he goes over. He takes a look at the Dyson water bottles, but in hopes again, he finds out he will fall into despair. And in this despair, he knows now that he must take the walk of shame. Now in shock with the loss of his phone, Sun is forced to stare at his hand forever, longing for the day when his phone will come back. And now we meet him again, trying to get a drink of water without his phone. Sadly, this is impossible without his phone. And now we find Sun Hoang at the lockers, trying to get books for his next class. As he searches, his success is not likely, for the loss of his phone keeps his face glued to his hand because of the shock of his loss. And due to this, he does not notice this locker is not his. Oh, and now we find the rare occasion of Sun Hoang trying to interact with another student, but this time without his phone. What will he do? As he tries to interact, this seems to have one little reaction. He tries again, but no reaction at all. That is because he did not have a phone. And now we see the life of a high school student who has a phone.
Too late, got nothing in my brain. That's what people say. That's what people say. I go on too many dates, but I can't make them stay. At least that's what people say.
And now we find the rare specimen known as Sam Vang, who has a phone attempting to drink water. For all we know, he may fail, but who knows? Because he has his phone, though, this proves to be a success. And here we find Sam Vang at his locker, getting ready for his next class. With his phone in his hand, he knows exactly what to do, providing support by just being there. He may not know it, but he takes his stuff out. He stares at his phone constantly while doing this providing him energy for this constant work. To conclude his school day, Sam Vang meets up with more students who also have cell phones, helping them socially interact with each other. through their cell phones.